want this as high as possible. So, anyway, let's pretend this is all nice and seasoned up. And then we're gonna add 4 cups of vegetable broth or chicken broth, whatever you like. We're trying to be healthy, so we want the veggie broth. Let that get in there. Basically, we're deglazing the pan because the pan got all the curry and stuff in there that's all burnt up. So deglazing it makes it nice and flavored. So we deglaze the pan. Then we're gonna add our potatoes. We're gonna let that simmer for about 15-20 minutes when the potatoes are ready and nice and mushy. Not mushy, but al dente. We'll get that done. And then we're gonna add the carrots last because they're pretty much cooked already. These are frozen. So. But anyway, let's pretend that's done. And this is the finished product right here. Okay, next is chicken adobo. Alright, next is the chicken adobo with chicken soup. This is pretty easy. All we do is put all these ingredients together and let it marinate overnight. Next day or 2 hours later, however long you want to marinate it. Just add it in a pot and simmer it. So the chicken is tender. Wow. And the chicken's done. Wow. How can I say it again? Wow. I forgot one thing. You need to thicken up the curry with a cornstarch slurry. Cornstarch slurry, thicken up the salt. So just cornstarch and water and